Y'all. Ooh, that forehead is shiny.
Listen long, long enough if you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. There's a sip, there's backwash. The wig that we're featuring today, I want y'all to get into it. Look at how flat this wig is applied. This wig is an absolutely gorgeous wig from Wiggins Hair. First, I want to thank Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video and providing this gorgeous wig to me. Now, this wig that we're featuring today is the loose deep wave lace front wig in the color number 017. It is 26 inches. It is 180% density. I chose to get a cap size small, but you can choose between small, medium, and large depending on your head size. So I didn't really have to do too much to this wig to make it look cute. So if y'all want to see how I applied this wig, please keep on watching and I'll be back. I've already prepped our gorgeous wig. We flattened her out. We're gonna start with our base. We're gonna start with a wig cap. And to make sure my wig cap kind of stays a little bit, I'm just gonna use some gel right here. Oh, period. This is cute. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Now, I use this little eyebrow kit to work on my lace. We're gonna go ahead and cut our lace down as much as possible. And I'm gonna take a razor. I find that the razor, she does a really good job of cutting, but then not too close. I used to think that it was like difficult to cut with the razor, but it looks so good. Come on, Wiggins Hair. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. So pretty. Y'all, what if my wig was sitting in the back of my head like this? Would y'all be my friend? Okay, so we're gonna take some Got to Be Glued spray. We're not gonna spray it right on our head because that's a mess. We're gonna take one of these coloring bowls and just spray it in. And I'm gonna take my little brush and we're just gonna paint it on the hairline. So we're gonna let that dry and then we're gonna do a second layer. And at this point, once I lay it down, I like to take, this is like the baby hair toothbrush. I like to take the end and then just press the lace down. So we're gonna tug and make sure the wig is in place. And it is. Okay, now we're gonna do this side. Hey y'all, Alwaysameera here. And now I'm just doing the side parts of the wig. Now I want y'all to note that just take your time. This took a lot more time than is shown on video, but take your time and be patient when applying this. Also, it's best to do it when you don't have makeup on, but for the purposes of this video, I'm doing it with makeup. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like when it's applied. I have a little bit of a white cast on the side. What we're gonna do is just go ahead and do some baby hairs, just light baby hairs. We don't want to do anything too heavy. So I'm gonna take some Got to Be Glued gel. In the black, it's the invisible kind. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush down these baby hairs. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm actually proud of myself. Look at this. Is this too much baby hairs? Y'all tell me the truth. Y'all let me know down below because I just got into the baby hair game and your girl's excited. So y'all don't talk about me. I'm gonna take just some, like a little bit of hair. I like my baby hairs to be short. I don't like super long baby hairs because it'd be doing too much for me. Definitely like this side better, but I'm not changing the other side. Y'all got me fucked up. We're gonna take our Wiggins hair ribbon and just fold it in half. So we're gonna let this sit for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. While we're doing that, we're gonna go ahead and add some mousse to the hair because this hair is a gorgeous, let me show y'all this texture. So this is a loose, deep wave. I'm gonna add some OGX Decadent Creamy Mousse on this hair just to go ahead and define these curls. And then by the time we're done adding this mousse, we should have a set hairline. We'll see. Hopefully it's not ashy because I got a problem with making ashy hairlines. Ooh, oh, look at this mousse. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and add it to the hair. Editing Ameera is back. I just wanted y'all to know that this mousse was great for the back of the hair, but in the front where the color was, it didn't really curl. So I think I needed more of a moisturizing product on the hair, even though this product smells great, looks great. I just think for the front, we need a little bit more moisturization on the situation. Now we're all moussed up, so all we have to do is let this dry. I'm gonna let it dry for hopefully it takes no more than 20 or so minutes, and then I'll be back. So hey y'all, I'm back. It's been about, it's been like 30, 45 minutes. And it took a while for my hair to dry and it's still like a little bit moist from the mousse. But I think we are ready to show you what the hair is looking like. Let's go ahead and got my Wiggins hair wrap on. Oh. Y'all. Ooh, that forehead is shiny. But we're just gonna go ahead and fluff out the hair because I don't like that crunchy look. It just looks weird to me. I like it to look like a little bit more fluffy. So I'm just gonna fluff out some of these curls. So soft and fluffy and just the sides. Yes, ma'am. This is the finished look, y'all. Look at this hair. It is absolutely gorgeous. Girl, I think I'm cute, period. This wig, the hairline is well crafted. It is absolutely just gorgeous. Let me actually show you what this wig is looking like in the back. This has to be my favorite wig that I have received. Definitely a favorite. I'm breathing so hard because I'm excited. So y'all tell me what you think. Can y'all see? So y'all tell me what you think about this wig. And if you are going to purchase it, I'm just going to go ahead and give y'all a coupon code. All you have to do is use code ALWAYS and you'll get $8 off your wig purchase. Thank you to wigginshair.com for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Why am I choking today?